finally made our dreams come true. Welcome to our new tiny house. Follow me, check out some of these features. Dining room table. Jacuzzi hot tub. Even has, wait, hang on. A breakfast bar. It's 5 acres of pure gold, plenty of room for activities. We even got fishing. It's got 5 acres of beautiful established pasture, perfect for sunbathing. And after a long, hard day on the farm, I like to soak in my jacuzzi hot tub. Whew, I feel super refreshed now. Hope you guys enjoyed that dip in the trough. Was actually kind of nice, to be honest with you. So we sold our old farm that we bought right at a year ago. We did not buy this property for this little tiny house that's on here. This well house was already on there. It's established, it's a well, so this is a 5 acre lot that we purchased. Now let's get into a couple reasons why we did purchase this lot and why we sold and why we're gonna move and build here. So we loved our old place that we just bought. It was 16 acres, a little less than a year ago, like I said. But over the winter, it turned into a lot of work, and we kind of like sat back and asked ourselves, like, do we want to be doing this with our spare time all the time? I know we love it. We've loved it for 5 years now. The answers that we were getting were kind of like, yeah, on the fence about it. So we both have careers off the farm. So our farm for us is not an income full-time thing that produces money for us. So we have careers off the farm. So everything that we create and do ourselves on our property is kind of like part-time work. And that is exactly what it started to feel like. It started to feel like a part-time job, which we were not okay with. So with that kind of in the background and in our minds, and then the housing market simultaneously started taking off from what we purchased that. As you guys know, the housing market is crazy right now. So we did the numbers, rough numbers, and we were kind of thinking, man, we could downsize, pay cash for 3 to 5 acres and build exactly what we want and be way better off financially and have a lot less on our plates and really get back to our roots and enjoy what we love. So with those two factors coming into play, we decided to sell. And we finished renovating the house and we put it on the market, and it was not an easy decision, but we are so glad we did. We ended up selling or going under contract. Before we listed our house, Marilla had a friend she works with, had this beautiful 5 acre lot off this private road in close to downtown Ball Ground, if anyone's familiar with Georgia, and I'm sure some of our friends are. So we went and looked at this lot, and it was just beautiful. It was perfect. It was already fenced in. It was flat. It was established pasture. It had a well house and a well already drilled on it. It was gated. All the other houses off this road were beautiful and farmland as well. Everybody has horses or cows or llamas, whatever. So it really felt like we could really build a good home here that would be almost paid for. So that is what we did. So those two reasons right there, just the workload and us not profiting off our farm, and then the workload, we just decided to take advantage of the market and sell. And we sold for a lot higher than what we bought for. So luckily, if the building prices stay where they're at now, we will be able to land with a brand new built house, garage, and barn. And our goal is to be mortgage free in 5 to 7 years. So that is the ultimate plan. So we are taking advantage of our sweat equity, and we sold everything, put it all down in this place, paid cash for this 5 acres, and then we'll pretty much fund our build a pretty good ways through the build with cash. And then, like I said, our plan is in 5 to 7 years to be mortgage free. And that to us, I think, is more beneficial than having more land. So that's it. There's our future plans. That being said, we are actually going to start a build series on our house on our channel. We're so excited about. We haven't really hashed out all the details yet or exactly what we're going to call it, but we want to be transparent with all of it, going from A to Z on exactly how you do it, and to help others kind of follow along, and if others want to do the same. Because per our research, there's not a whole lot of stuff out there of like A to Z, you know, from finances to finding the land to blueprints to permits to mortgages, you know, construction to perm mortgage, all that stuff. It gets very confusing, and there's so much information kind of like spread out, but nothing that's all in one package available. So you guys stay tuned for our future videos and our weekly vlogs on this build process. I hope you guys enjoy it and like it. We will do the best we can to get everything on camera so you guys can see and watch and follow along, and we just cannot wait to break ground, which hopefully will be in 3 to 4 weeks if we're lucky. So you guys stay tuned. If you like this content or think you would like this content in the future, please like and subscribe. We will see you on the next video. Holy moly. Boss, are you ready? Yeah.